How to fix the lock cannot be edited error on Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix or unlock the element that you are trying to edit on Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. So here on the new tab, you are going to search for canva.com. Once you do that, you will head over to the content or the element that you are not able to edit. Now here is something that I've been trying to edit but I'm not able to. Let's say I want to change this position but I cannot do anything or move anything around right here. This is because there is an error code that says lock cannot be edited. Every single one of these says that. So what you're going to do is check if somebody has locked your project. In order to check, look at the top of your screen where you can see three different options. If you see this lock icon, then that probably means someone has locked this page or you might have just done it accidentally yourself. So you have to click on that icon again to unlock page. And from here, you will be able to edit all these elements and that's pretty much it. Just make sure that this is unlocked. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.